Watercolor lettering. A splash of colors and words. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and artistic topic: watercolor lettering. It's a blend of art and language that creates visually stunning messages. Whether you're a language enthusiast or an aspiring artist, understanding this concept will add a vibrant layer to your skills. So, let's get started and explore the colorful world of watercolor lettering together. Watercolor lettering is the art of creating handwritten messages using watercolor paints. Unlike traditional ink or pencil, watercolor allows for a unique blend of colors and textures, making each letter and word stand out with a personal and artistic touch. It combines the fluidity of watercolors with the form and structure of lettering, creating pieces that are both beautiful and meaningful. To get started with watercolor lettering, you'll need a few basic tools. Watercolor paints, available in tubes, pans, or liquid form. Brushes, specifically, a round watercolor brush that comes to a fine point when wet. Watercolor paper. This paper is thicker and more absorbent, ideal for holding water without warping. Practice sheets or a sketchbook, for honing your skills before moving on to final pieces. A jar of water and a clean cloth, for rinsing your brush and blotting excess water. Mastering watercolor lettering involves learning a few key techniques. Wet on dry, applying wet paint to dry paper for sharp and controlled lines. Wet on wet, wetting the paper first and then adding paint for a more fluid and blended effect. Gradient and ombre effects. Gradually changing colors within a single letter or word for a visually striking look. Starting something new can be challenging, so here are some tips to help you on your journey. Practice regularly. Like any skill, the more you practice, the better you'll become. Embrace imperfections. Watercolor lettering is an art, and every mistake is a part of the learning process. Experiment with colors. Don't be afraid to try different color combinations and techniques. Learn basic lettering styles. Understanding the fundamentals of lettering will enhance your watercolor lettering skills. We hope this video has sparked your interest in watercolor lettering. It's a beautiful way to blend the art of painting with the beauty of the written word. Perfect for personal projects, gifts, or even enhancing your language learning journey with a splash of color. Remember, the key is to enjoy the process and let your creativity flow. Thank you for watching, and happy lettering!